Hello, children. Welcome to the classes of grammar. Children, your first chapter is the tenses. What are tenses? What is the meaning of a tense? Tense means time. Time in which you are living, in which you had lived, in which you will be living. Okay? This time is the proper meaning for this tenses. You all know that these tenses are divided into three. Past tense, arrow mark is showing you towards the past, means the activities which are over or the time which has passed. Present, there is no arrow mark, the time in which you are now at this present time. Future, towards the future, means coming time, coming up time. Most important, 5 forms of verbs. Children, there are 5 forms of verbs. Each verb is a tense. Remember this. Whichever verb you use, because verb means action words. Action happens with reference to the time. And with reference to the time, actions are decided. The action is already over or now happening or going to happen. It depends on the time. Based on that, there are 5 forms of verbs. Verbs have 5 forms, namely V1 base form, V2 past simple form, V3 past participle, V4 present participle form, and V5 present simple singular form. Let me explain you. The different forms of verbs are present tense. See here, the first V1 form is present tense. V2 is simple past. V3 past participle. V4 present participle. And V5 simple present tense. V1 is the first form of the verb, that is present tense. You can see the examples here. Do, sit, write, use, give. V2 is the second form of the verb, simple past. Example, do became did, sit became sat, write became wrote, use became used, give became gave. V3 is the third form of the verb, past participle. V1, V2, V3. Let me follow up. Do, did, done. Sit, sat, sat. Write, wrote, written. Use, used, used. Give, gave, given. Now fourth. V4 is the fourth form of the verb, present participle. Participle means ing form, continuous form. Okay. Ing form always speaks about continuous form. Here, do, did, done, and present participle is doing. See here, V1 form plus ing form. Always remember, with V1 form, we add ing form. We never add didding. Okay. And we never add dunning. Never. With V1 plus ing is equal to V4. Write down this. V1 form, that is base form of the verb, present tense plus ing form. This two, combination of this two becomes V4 form. That is present participle. Doing, sitting, writing, using, giving. Now, most important, V5 form. V5 is the fifth form of the verb. Simple present. What is the difference between V1, V5 and V4? Let me tell you. See, with V1 form, we add yes. And this is used for third person singular. Okay. He writes in his book. Okay. Now just see here. V1 is do. It became does. Sit, sits. Write, writes. Use, uses. Give, gives. This is always used for third person singular. These 5 forms of the verbs are very important for you to follow in coming up classes and also in your grammar. And the work whatever is given will be based on this. This section where you should get used to use all these 5 forms is for 4 marks in your question paper. Be very careful to by heart this and to practice this. Next, I have some irregular verbs for you. Always BEB. This is one biggest question. Okay. Forms of be also we tell. Here, I'll be teaching you 3 forms, children. Let me tell you. These are examples and also a base class for your irregular verbs, which we have found always in your fill in the blanks. Okay, numbered blanks. Normally they ask for 1 marks or 2 marks based on this BEB tense. Let me tell you. V1 base form of verb, V2 past simple, V3 past participle. Just now I had explained everything in detail. First form is BEB. In bracket, forms of be are given. Is, am, are. Yes, I am a teacher. I is subject. What is this am? Am is nothing but the base form of the verb. Understood? Am is a verb. Always remember this. BEB, its forms are is, am, are, which are in simple present. Now, V2 form. Same. Is became was. Are become were. Okay. I was a teacher. If I have stopped teaching, then that am became was. Be very careful about this. Am became was. Fine. Is also becomes was. If it is plural, okay, and are, that is are, it becomes were. Now next, be form in V3 is been. Fine. It is been. B-E-E-N. Some of the irregular verbs are given here. Beat. V2 also beat. V3 will be beaten. Okay. Then become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. These are the examples for irregular verbs. But forms of be, please learn very perfectly. Practice it. Now children, you should note down each and every slide in your notes. Clear? In next slide or in next class, I will be teaching you more about tenses. This is one basic class for you. So listen it twice or thrice and get ready for the next class. Thank you.